step aside and let the passengers off the train first.
I ran out of new spots, so we're just gonna go to places we've been before.
Oh my god.
I didn't know about the brand. Yeah. That's why I found the brand here and then.
That's guidi.
Yeah.
Didn't know guidi made baby food.
I know the baby bullets.
What are these basics? These are comme. I like this jacket. None of them.
I like that.
Double pocket t-shirt. Masnada. Damn.
Wait, oh my god, it's not focusing. There. It's soft. The sleeves look tight. Is it tight?
Not really. I think it's just. I think it's supposed to be fitted.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks great.
It'd be cool.
Oh, this is a double knees. Carpenter vibes. Vibes. It's like some elevated Dickies shorts, you know?
Please have blasting AC. Please.
Can you even put this on your shoulder?
Yeah. Okay. You can.
It's also guidi. See, both sides have like a different texture. This one versus this side.
I like this.
I like the treatment on it. It's like, goes with the fit, you know? Put it inside. It's like a bead camo or something. It's like a raft parachute inspired.
I think the size of
Bigger. I think it's supposed to be pretty like cropped though. So.
I still feel like a size bigger though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably. I think the sleeves are too short.
Yeah. Or it looks tight. Also.
I've seen this on the interwebs.
Ooh, what is this?
Dries. This is tough.
Oh, fits really well.
Pockets are cool too. It's like a bunchy pocket. Fun stuff. This is why you see something online, you might not think too much about it, but you see it in person.
Yes.
$13.20.
That's.
You are not feeling it. Creme de la creme.
But.
Let's just say I have something coming. Multiple things coming very soon.
No, we should. It's more the other one. I feel.
Oh, these? Yeah.
Color.
Color wise?
Yeah.
this every time you put them on.
Huh?
You have to do this every time you put them
No,
on.
it's because it's at the tightest one right now, so I want to loosen it.
These are the yeehaws.
Cool.
The thing about the thin leather though, it's like you could see my fucking toes moving and shit, you know?
I feel like when you're walking normal, you don't see anything.
Yeah. True. They're actually
I like them.
pretty comfortable. It reminds me of kind of like sambas, this part, toe cap. Surprisingly comfortable.
They look good with the pants.
Would you wear this?
No, not myself. But you know my style.
That's why I thought you wouldn't like it.
No, I like it on you.
What is it? Does it look like a leather shoe? Like a derby or something? Or does it look like a running shoe?
It's like ambiguous.
Okay, I'll fuck with it.
Sir, I'm going back to my apartment. No, sir, this is a Wendy's.
You ready?
So like we're kind of like our own entity, but we're also part of the building. That makes sense.
We thought it was very hard for me to get through the door. And
It sounds good. You just agree. You provide
Goddamn, brother. Oh, what the fuck?
My shit's stuck in my both of my
$50.
dude. Don't break those, dog.
And roast beef, just those two. Tuna salad. Okay, I'll show the other side. Roast beef with chimichurri.
Oh.
And then, I don't know what else is in there. And then prosciutto and burrata. Oh my god.
It's good?
Oh my god.
Let me try this.
So buy from the other side.
The science of eating a sandwich, huh?
Oh my god, baby, you're gonna be obsessed.
I'm awoken. Very like salty, creamy.
You like the burrata.
Yeah. The bread is so fucking good. It's salty.
That's the same bread as the roast beef one. Should we show the place?
Little quick little.
No, I don't want people to think I'm like filming them.
Got the box.
Oh, the
Magnetic. That's when you know it's gonna hit. Come on. You can tell how soft it is, right?
buttery.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very excited.
So excited. I've already tried these on, so I know they fit. Pair number 1.
Love it.
Numero dos. Oh, I need a knife for this.
I wonder what it is.
Fuck. My first time buying off Vestiaire.
What?
Yeah. I'm a grailed loyalist.
You just knock yourself to the
like actually brand new. What's up guys, finally back with another pickups video. It's been a pretty slow year of pickups for me, which honestly every year should be, but this year especially, since most of my funds and time are going into working on Ampere. We're finally putting our first collection into production, so our first release will be coming within the next few months. Inevitably, I needed some good old retail therapy, so here we are. So starting with the pickup, I'm probably the most excited about. These are a pair of the folio slip-ons from Loewe. The whole upper is deconstructed and made of this super buttery soft suede. As you can see on the inside, it's just all made of the same really high quality suede. They are very lightweight and flexible, so perfect for the warmer seasons. These have a bit more of a squared off toe. Still round, but also slightly squared and a bit asymmetric. Yeah, I just love how neutral and clean they are. They go with pretty much every single pair of pants that I have. I was also fortunate enough to be able to grab a pair of the black ones. Same shoe, but just done in this black calfskin leather. Super happy to have been able to grab both of these. Sort of my grail spring summer shoes at the moment. So sticking with leather pieces, I also picked up this Rick Owens Adri bag from a few seasons ago. So Rick has come out with a few different sizes and iterations of this bag, but out of all the ones that I've come across, this one is definitely my favorite. I think it's a perfect size for everyday use. And yeah, I just love how clean and flat the design is. Just think it sits really nice on body while you're wearing it. There's a zip closure at the top with this leather tassel, as well as these metal hinges that give it this sort of architectural, dare I say, brutalist feel to it. And it has this pretty thin fixed strap, which I actually really like since it doesn't get in the way too much while you're wearing it. Yeah, don't really own that many bags, especially leather ones. So thought this would be a good investment and a good first foray into leather bags. Moving on to pants, these are a pair of denim made by my friend Nick. These are called the Jovo jeans, and they're made of a raw 12-ounce black denim and have a wide straight leg fit with a mid-rise, and they have this asymmetric back yoke detail as well as these slightly asymmetric back pockets. Yeah, just a good pair of everyday black denim. And like the trousers that he made, the construction is super solid and they fit amazing. Still have to break these in quite a bit since they are raw, but I just got these in and wanted to share with you guys. So next and last pair of pants are these Rick Owens Geth jeans. Don't even know if I should call these jeans since they're made of a cotton moleskin instead of denim. But yeah, I'm sure you guys have seen the Geth model everywhere at this point. Not too much else to say about these that hasn't been said before. Just a pretty standard pair of 5-pocket pants. But yeah, I thought it'd be cool to show this moleskin version. Definitely want to wear these in more since I got them basically new and they're still very structured and rigid. So I'm excited to see how these break in and how they sit after I've worn them more. This is a bit of a random pickup, but this is a track jacket from the Adidas and Song for the Mute collaboration. It has these contrasting panels with different fabric textures. So the top half has this sort of pin tuck ribbing detailing, while the bottom half has this layer of perforated fabric through which you can see the lining. It also has this stowaway hood as well as a two-way front zipper. Even the front zipper tassel has this unique texture to it. It's got a good oversized fit and I got a size large. Honestly, there's kind of a lot going on with this piece compared to the pieces that I've normally been gravitating to these days, but thought it would be a nice switch up, and I really like the color, fit, and the detailing. And you could find it for a pretty fair price as well. All right, last pickup is this vintage leather MA1 bomber. This is essentially just a classic MA1 made with a calfskin leather shell instead of a traditional nylon. The back also has this interesting panel detailing. Not really sure what it's for. I like the piece, but I honestly had something a bit more oversized in mind. This fits me kind of true to size and almost a bit cropped. So not sure if I'll keep it, but thought I would include it anyway. Those have been my recent pickups. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or thoughts, please sound off in the comments. And yeah, hope you guys are safe, hope you guys are well, and I'll catch y'all soon.